Hey students, this is a problem that is similar to some of the questions you might see on the operations with polynomials quiz. What you see is you have two polynomials that have very odd exponents, those rational exponents, and you need to combine like terms. And in this case, it's addition, but it could have been subtraction as well. What I wanted to point out is that you have to have the exact same exponent in order to combine like terms. So in green, I am going to underline something from the left polynomial that matches the same exponent as something on the right. So we have 3x to the 1/3. We also have a negative 4x to the 1/3. Because those both are x to the 1/3, those will combine like terms. Then in red, I'm going to underline the next term, negative 9x to the 4/5 will combine with this negative 1x to the 4/5. And last pair that will combine is the 2x cubed from the left polynomial will combine with the 1x cubed on the right polynomial. Now notice that we have two that are not underlined. That means that they will have to be written in the answer as separate terms. So I'll start off with our answer as 21x to the 5th plus 20x to the 4th. And that's because of not having any terms with the same exponent to combine with. When we combine the two in green, a 3 minus 4, or 3 plus a negative 4, we end up with a negative 1. So that is going to be written as negative x to the 1/3. Then I'm going to combine the two that are in red. We have negative 9x to the 4/5 plus a negative 1x to the 4/5. That'll make a negative 10x to the 4/5. And lastly, in black, we have a positive 2x cubed and a positive 1x cubed that combine to make plus 3x cubed. So that is our final answer. Again, it's a little odd and it ends up being, a very long polynomial, but that is the process. You have to scan through, make sure the exponents match, combine only their coefficients, do not change the exponents at all, and then list them all in order. And it's kind of weird to know what term do you put first, but since the quiz is multiple choice, you just look for which one matches all of the terms that you have.